Namaste everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you dreaming of becoming a government school teacher here in Karnataka? Then clearing the TET exam is your first big step. In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the TET syllabus for both Paper 1 and Paper 2, and then I'll share an effective study method to help you ace this crucial exam. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is TET? It's the Karnataka Teacher Eligibility Test, conducted by the School Education Department, Karnataka. It's mandatory for anyone aspiring to teach classes 1 to 8 in government schools across the state. The exam has two papers. Paper 1, for those who want to teach classes 1 to 5. Paper 2, for those aiming to teach classes 6 to 8. Both are multiple-choice question-based and carry a total of 150 marks each. The best part, there's no negative marking, so attempt every question. Let's start with Paper 1 syllabus for aspiring primary teachers. It has 5 core sections, each with 30 questions, making it 150 marks in total. Child Development and Pedagogy, CDP. This is super important. It covers topics like child development, learning theories, inclusive education, and the teaching learning process. Basically, how kids learn and how you can teach effectively. For example, understanding Piaget stages or Vygotsky's socio-cultural theory. Language Y, Kannada/English/others. You'll choose your first language. This section tests your language comprehension and the pedagogy of language development. For example, understanding unseen passages and the principles of teaching a language. Language 2, different from language 1. This will be your second language, which must be different from your first choice. Again, comprehension and pedagogical aspects are key. Mathematics. This covers basic concepts from classes 1 to 5. Think numbers, geometry, measurement, data handling, and simple problem solving. No complex calculus here, just strong fundamentals. Environmental Studies, EVS. This section tests your knowledge about our environment, family and friends, food, water, travel, and things we make and do. It's all about connecting with our surroundings. Remember, the level of questions for Paper 1 is based on the NCERT state syllabus up to Class 5, but the difficulty can go up to the secondary stage for some pedagogical questions. Now, let's move to Paper 2 syllabus, for those planning to teach classes 6 to 8. This also has 150 marks. Child Development and Pedagogy, CDP. Similar to Paper 1, but the questions here are focused on the age group of 11-14 years. Expect questions on adolescent psychology, learning difficulties, and strategies for teaching middle schoolers. Language Y and 2. These are identical to Paper 1, same choice of languages, same focus on comprehension and pedagogy. Choose wisely. Mathematics and Science or Social Studies. This is the big differentiator. This section is worth 60 marks. You have to choose one based on your graduation background. Option A, Mathematics and Science. If you're a science or math graduate, this is for you. It covers topics from physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics, generally up to the Class 8 level, but conceptual clarity is key. For example, understanding chemical reactions or algebraic expressions. Option B, Social Studies, Social Science. If you're an arts or commerce graduate, this is your pick. It includes history, geography, civics, economics, and also pedagogical issues related to these subjects. For example, the Mughal Empire, the Indian Constitution, or understanding different types of landforms. The level of questions for Paper 2 is based on the NCERT state syllabus up to Class 8, but again, pedagogical questions can be more challenging. Knowing the syllabus is half the battle won, but the other half is a smart study method. Here's what I recommend. Understand the blueprint. Don't just read the syllabus, truly understand it. What are the high-weightage topics? Which areas are you naturally strong or weak in? This will help you prioritize. NCERT is your Bible. Seriously, for both papers, NCERT textbooks from classes 1-8 are your most important resource. The questions are directly framed from them. Read them thoroughly, make notes, and highlight key concepts. Create a study timetable and stick to it. Discipline is crucial. Allocate specific hours for each subject. Don't neglect any section, especially CDP, which is common to both papers and very scoring if you understand the concepts. Make smart notes. As you read, make your own short, crisp notes. Use bullet points, flowcharts, and mind maps. These are invaluable for quick revisions later. Practice, practice, practice. Solve as many previous year's TET question papers as possible. This familiarizes you with the exam pattern, the type of questions asked, and helps with time management. Also, take regular mock tests. Analyze your mistakes. After every practice test, don't just check the score. Analyze your wrong answers. Why did you get them wrong? Was it a conceptual error, a silly mistake, or lack of time? Learn from them. Revise regularly. Consistency is key. Schedule dedicated revision slots for all subjects, especially the volatile ones like facts in EVS or social studies. Spaced repetition works wonders. Stay updated on current affairs, EVS social studies. Especially for EVS and social studies, keep an eye on important current events related to environment, education policies, or historical anniversaries. Though TET is mostly static, a general awareness helps. Knowing the syllabus is half the battle won, but the other half is a smart study method. Here's what I recommend. TET is definitely achievable with the right strategy and consistent effort. Remember, your dedication today paves the way for a bright teaching career tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow aspirants, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such useful content. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll try my best to help you out. All the very best for your TET exam. Shubhakamnayang.